Sunday, July 3rd, one day only, these fabrics at $8.99. And the reason we're doing this is because we have so many new people to the to our channel that I want them to be able to order fabrics and see the quality. $8.99. This is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. It's a terry. It's just gorgeous. I expect it to be gone really quickly. It's so pretty. Nothing. Pajamas would be wonderful at this price. So that's our first one. Our second one, again, 100% cotton. It'd be so cute. It's a woven, like a little pair of capris for the summer. A little jean jacket with the stripes going different directions. Oh, so cute. Great little stripe. This has stretch in one direction. You can see the great drape. It's a cotton poly. Beautiful fabric, lovely, so cute. This is what everyone is doing pants in. It's a plaid, it's a stretch woven, cotton poly, but you know that these are so stylish for pants for summer. And then put on just like a little black or a little gray, a dark, even a navy blazer would be really cute with them. Then we have another, this is 100% cotton, little gray here. These are great. These light grays for summer are great, like mixed with white. And then we have a 100% poly, but this is slip. And what I do a lot of times with this fabric, because it's so dense and it's really great, is I'll make a little undergarment with it. Like if I need a black underneath something and I need it to have slip, it has stretch in both directions. It's called the second skin. I don't know if y'all have heard that terminology, but that's what it is, and it's used for a lot of undergarments. I mean, look, it could be pants too, don't get me wrong. It'd be a great pair of leggings, but just fun. $8.99. All right, that's the price. Our shipping is more than the fabric. We can't get away from that. We have to get it to you. So we don't know how to do that, but we can sure save on fabrics. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.